friends, welcome again to my channel. So today I am going to show you a travel brochure on Udaipur, the city of lakes. So Udaipur, here I have written with the aluminium foil. The city of lakes, I have used here this glitter, Tom's glitter. Here I have used the silver color, but here I have used the golden color, and I have drawn this bottle with this glitter. Here I have used butterfly sticker. This lakes I have drawn from blue glitter sheet. Here I have punched it, you can see, and tied with this. So let's move to the next page. Mode of transport. This page is about mode of transport. This border I have drawn with a sketch pen. And I have written about here train, flight, car, about mode of transport, from how can you reach Udaipur. Next page is about best time to travel, means which season is comfortable for you to travel. This border I have drawn with the sketch pen, and here you can see I have added this little glitter, so it look nice. And I have also put some drops of this glitter. Can see. So let's move to the next page. Places of interest. So this border I have made from the golden glitter. I have just cut the shape and pasted, and I have also highlighted. For highlighting the picture I have used the sketch pen, so it's nice. Next page is about the same topic, so I have used the same border. So let's move on to the next page. Best places to stay in town, means which places are nice for staying. So here I have written about this, and this border I have made from the white paper. I have just cut the circles and pasted. It is simple. Next page is about distinguished features of marketplace. This border I have made from this only. Here this side I've also made, but because of the guiding of this with it hidden. So how to move this? Let's see. So for you will need colorful sheets, glitter paper, Fevicol or scissor. So let's start making it.